Control. Systems monitoring. Safety. iNCommand embraces the next generation of controls for your RV by acting as its central hub of operations and puts you at the helm using your preferred smart device. But how does this all-encompassing system work? What exactly does it monitor and control? Let's take a closer look at iNCommand, piece by piece. iNCommand is a next-generation controller for the entire RV. This system incorporates a touchscreen panel, or display commander, mounted on an interior wall that monitors and controls anything in your RV that operates with a motor or switch. The display commander communicates via Bluetooth to the body control module, the control board within the trailer that operates the entire system, and can be controlled using the free iNCommand mobile app. The display commander is your primary point of contact with iNCommand. All of the switches and monitoring panels that have cluttered up interior walls in the past are integrated into this one sleek touchscreen monitor. What really makes the display commander stand out is that it can be controlled remotely with a smart device using the free iNCommand mobile app. This app performs all of the same functions as the display commander, but from the convenience of your mobile device. Download and install the free iNCommand app from the App Store on iTunes or from Google Play for the ultimate in control. The display commander and iNCommand app give you control over your RV like never before. Turn on and off the water pump and water heater. This system allows you to select between electric and propane fuel sources for your water heater. Select both to use the propane and electric heating elements at the same time, resulting in a faster recovery rate. Turn on and off lights. This includes the interior, exterior, security, and awning lights, in addition to 4 customized lighting zones. Extend and retract mechanical slide-outs, awnings, and the front jacks. For added convenience and customizability, you can rename the slide rooms and light groups to any names you like. Constantly monitor your battery level and fresh, gray, and black water holding tanks. For toy haulers, this system can also monitor fuel tank levels for both the auxiliary fuel station and generator. And with unsurpassed ease, prime, start, and stop the onboard generator with the tap of an icon. iNCommand not only lets you control your generator, but also keeps you informed of its running status by showing you the fuel tank level, voltage, running hours, and any diagnostic issues such as low oil, overcrank, and service warnings. The reporting of these generator fault codes through the system is an industry first and can only be found on iNCommand. iNCommand features a travel lockout that prevents motorized components, like slide-outs and awnings, from accidentally engaging while underway. The lockout is engaged once the 7-way connector is connected to the tow vehicle and when the driver applies pressure to the brake pedal. The mobile app cannot be used for motorized controls when the lockout is activated, but you can still operate lights and check your monitoring functions. In the interest of safety, there is no way to disable the lockout mode from the app. You must do this directly on the display commander inside the RV. We've also integrated passcode protection on the mobile app to prevent unintended and unauthorized use. At the core of iNCommand is the control board, or brain of the system, the body control module. The main board itself is protected by an impact-resistant cover. The inside of the cover features detailed connection labeling, along with the wiring guide. iNCommand utilizes a new unified wiring standard. Using a color and number system, each circuit in your coach can instantly be identified, simplifying diagnostics, troubleshooting, and service work. The body control module uses automotive standard high current relays to perform many of the required functions of the system. While unlikely to be needed, these relays can be swapped out or easily replaced if necessary. There are no other fuses on the body control module that ever need replacing. All other fusing is done at the normal distribution panel in your RV, keeping this important function in one location. And to ensure that you can always operate the mechanical components of your coach, we've integrated manual overrides directly on the body control module. From constant awareness to revolutionary control in the palm of your hand, you'll find luxury at its finest right at your fingertips. The genesis of a new age of the RV lifestyle has arrived, and it's waiting for you. Relax. You're in command.